Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable feedback tone for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. You have to start by open JBL Portable app, and of course your speaker should be connected with the phone and should be turned on. Then the application open for you speaker menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then you should scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. And in the general, the third line, we have feedback tone. So we have prompts when we turn on, turn off the speaker, when we enter to pairing mode, and if you don't need this prompts, you can disable this mode by tap on time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And now, if I, let's say, enter to pairing mode, we have no prompts. So to enable feedback tone, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And now, if I press on it, you will hear the prompt. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!